In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage workspace members in Trello administration. Managing members in Trello is essential for keeping your team organized and ensuring that everyone has the appropriate access and permissions to get their work done. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to head over to the Trello homepage. To do this, visit Trello.com and make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're logged in, look to the left sidebar where you'll find the workspace name that you want to manage. Click on it, and this will take you into the workspace view. Now that you're inside the workspace view, let's move on to accessing the workspace members section. Here, you'll notice the settings icon, which looks like a small gear situated next to the workspace name. Give that a click and you'll be presented with a drop-down menu. From this menu, you need to select Members. This will bring you to a new section where you can manage all the members associated with your workspace. And if you want to invite new members to your workspace, you'll find that process straightforward. There's a button labeled Invite Workspace Members. Click on it. A field will appear where you can enter either the email address or Trello username of the person you wish to add. After entering the necessary information, simply click Send Invitation. You'll be all set, and the new member will receive an invitation to join your workspace. Changing the roles of your workspace members is another important task, particularly if team responsibilities shift or if new capabilities are needed. To modify a member's role, start by finding the member you want to update. Beside their name, you'll see 3 dots. Click on those. From the menu that appears, choose Change Permissions. You have a few options here. The admin role grants full control over boards, members, and settings. If you're looking for something less comprehensive, the normal role enables members to create and edit boards but not change workspace settings. Lastly, if you're using business class, you have the option of setting a member as an observer, which is a view-only role. These steps provide you with the tools needed to effectively manage your workspace members in Trello. By following these instructions, you'll be able to efficiently invite new members and modify their permissions to suit your team's needs, helping maintain clarity and effectiveness across your projects. Thanks for joining us today, and happy organizing.